What's good? Wait, huh? Static Civic. Wait, my bad. Static nigga in the building. What's good, y'all? All right, today, we've got another meet. All right, and look, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I got some updates that I gotta tell y'all. I got some bad news. My camera's really clear. So I have some bad news, all right? So because people have, in the car scene, people have been revving and hooning and doing all types of stuff, this may be the last public meet if the people here cannot act right. So from here on out, they may have not the two TTs together, yeah, two TTs. Y'all, if the people do not act right at this event, bruh, it is going to be very bad news, and we're going to have to start hosting private meets, which means that you will have to get an invitation to come to the meet. So this could be possibly the last public meet. I know for a fact I probably will be coming. Yeah, I probably will be coming because I know how to act right. All right, I don't rev. I don't be doing all types of stuff. Like, I don't be acting crazy. Like I said, I'm just here to see some cars and get some content. That's all that matters, all right? So y'all make sure y'all please subscribe to this video, subscribe to the channel. Y'all not going to go see my 86 get stuck on the speed bump somewhere right here. All right, y'all are not going to go see that. Y'all please make sure y'all go check that out and run that video up, all right? Share it, post it, like it, comment, subscribe, everything, all right? So with that being said, let's get to it. My boy is over here. My boy, and we also have the taco stand. They got the drone outside. As y'all can see, got another Civic boy sitting right here. My camera is really clear. I don't know what happened. But yeah, hey, as y'all can see, we also got a taco stand sitting here. Oh snap. Y'all already know, hey, y'all already know the number one that we have to do, we have to make sure we get people to be on the channel, all right? Got the track, supercharged. But yeah, we have to make sure we get people for the channel, get some more people. We got the taco stands out. All right, here we go. Here we go. The boy heating up, cooking up. They got lines already. Got the Hellcat. FRS over there. Integra right here. Clean Integra. Here we go. I still got to get this guy on the channel. I did get this guy, but I think he said something was wrong with his whip. So, 3-piece wheel. Angry boy. All right, y'all. So we got some more people rolling in right now. Like I said, we kind of deep. Like it really did. What? It's only what? It's only 8:42, and the meet literally just started. So, I wouldn't really say there's any cars here, and I'm just being honest. I'm not really gonna say that there's any cars here. Most of the people I have gotten, but I'm not really gonna say there's really any cars here that it would be worth giving them an episode. We got some cars here. Like I said, people on the works, still working on their car, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna have to just wait or whatever. And we got some people right out here. Hopefully they don't call the police. So hopefully, right here. Hopefully they don't call the police because they're looking a little sus. But yeah, other than that, let's come over here and see if there's anything that I would be worth putting on this channel. I will also have another Caffeine and Octane coming this Sunday. I will have Caffeine and Octane coming this Sunday. I also have, I'm trying to get a possible 4 reviews in. Ooh. I'm trying to also get a possible 4 reviews in for this weekend. So y'all make sure y'all please tune into that, all right? Y'all, we not even doing nothing, y'all. So y'all, it looks like this meet is coming to an end. There's probably another location. Hey, he said we're not. He said we're loitering. Loitering. We're not allowed to loiter or whatever he said.
Permission to be here.
I would go talk to him. Like, let's just try. You got another spot? Alright, y'all. We're going to another spot. Alright, let's get it. Alright, y'all. So we back here at the second spot. This parking lot is a little bit smaller. Alright, a little bit smaller. So hold on. I looked up the definition because basically the police officer said we are loitering. Alright, if that's how you pronounce it. But what does the definition of loitering mean? Let me know.
So it means that we're standing or waiting around without apparent purpose.
An apparent
purpose.
Apparent purpose or an apparent purpose? Oh, okay. So basically, we cannot be standing around without an apparent purpose. Like we have to have a purpose of standing there. So, which I really kind of found that stupid, but like I said, I mean, it is what it is. All right. Right. So we got in trouble for basically just standing around, which is, I mean, I don't really see. We weren't revving. We literally did not rev, so I don't really know what that's about. So like I said, hopefully this one goes better. Hopefully, because I've seen officers follow people and like just see where they go for the next spot, and then they cook us out right there and then. But hopefully he didn't follow nobody over here. But we should be good. So yeah, so y'all make sure y'all please subscribe to this video because I'm bringing y'all some banger content. All right, like I said, we got everybody rolling in right now as we speak. Not gonna lie, I think we might be a little bit too big for this parking lot. We may be. Take me out the club, take me out the trap.
Bro, am I tripping you did? That's why I'm hired.
Alright y'all, so hey look, it looked like most of us are already here, most of us are already loaded in and things. But hey, y'all please make sure y'all subscribe to this video. Alright, like I said, it's just a little clip of what we doing. It's a day in the life basically. So if there's any extra clips, I'll make sure to put them in this video. Alright, but like I said, y'all make sure y'all tune in. Alright, like I said, we got caffeine and octane. We got people trying to fly out here. I'm gonna just hit that car right there. Hey, but we got caffeine and octane video coming Sunday. Alright, Sunday, or I'm gonna be filming it on Sunday. It's probably gonna be out Monday. Alright, so y'all please make sure y'all subscribe for me. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.